In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to download and install War Thunder on PC or laptop. So to install War Thunder on PC or laptop, you have to first of all open up your browser and install Steam first of all. So for that, please go ahead and type in steampower.com, and that's going to take you to the official page, which is going to look something like this. Now right on this page, what you have to do is you have to go ahead and tap on the install Steam button from the top right hand side corner, and then you have to go ahead and install Steam. So go ahead and tap on install Steam for Windows, then you have to go ahead and run the installation. When you've done that, you have to go ahead and create your account, and as you're done creating your account, then log in and head over to store section. So while you're on the store section, you're on the search box, go ahead and type in the name of the game that you're looking for, that is War Thunder. Type in that. And when you locate the following game, go ahead and press on it. It's going to take you to the info section. And here you need to go ahead and click on add to library, or you can go ahead and click on play game. As you do that, you'll be asked to install the game on your device, and then you could go ahead and run the installation, and you'll be able to play War Thunder on your PC or laptop. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.